So look, today is September 20th, the official launch and release of the new Apple 11 Pro Max. So we got this new color, the green, this hunter green, I don't know what they call it, space green or something like that, but I call it camouflage fatigue green. We'll try it. I think a lot of people bought this color just because it's new. Probably a test from Apple to see if people will buy this. You know, hopefully it's pretty. It's either ugly or pretty, so we'll see. So we're excited about this phone for a lot of reasons. Battery, obviously it has a new Retina display, XDR display. The new A13 Bionic chip. Oh, look at that, pretty. But the real thing that we're interested in is the cameras, of course, right? Since we do a lot of blogging and photography and pictures, it's the improvements on the camera. So here it is, we unboxed it, comes in. It's a pretty color. It's like a very metallic but not shiny green. I like it, the edges are shiny, but what did they improve on? Obviously we got the chips, the screen, etc. But again, the 3 cameras up in the back and the 1 camera up front. So what's really cool is obviously the front is a 2.2, I believe, 12 megapixel camera, so great for those selfies and selfie videos. The back is 3 cameras now. You got the wide, which I think was a 26 millimeter, and a portrait that was a 52, and now an ultra wide. The cool thing is not only is that new lens with the ultra wide, but they've improved also the f-stops on each one. I think each one has an extra stop of light, so they'll actually perform even better natively in low light. So that's gonna be great, and you can do things like film both, I guess, front and back. So you're gonna see a lot of cool things. So here it is, the new 11 Pro Max.